Hello everyone. I think it's too late to make a video. It's already almost 11:40 the night. Actually, I made a video earlier, but I forgot to switch on the mic, so there was no audio in the video, so I had to reshoot it again. So last week I watched the new Spider movie, the brand new day, and I just thought of just adding few German words. So what to say, the film terminology in German. So let's start with let's start with it. So first, the first word, like in English, we can say film. So if you have to say film in German, it's called filme. It's just e. You just have to add e at the end, which becomes filme. Then comes theater, and it's also easy because in German also the word is theater. Then comes actor and actress. So as we know that actress is also come from the word actor, so actor is for a male and actress for the female. So similarly we have in German the same similar word for the actor and actress. So the male, or I would say the masculine word for actor in German is called Schauspieler. So Schauspieler, I think it's like, if I have just break it down, because these are like made up of two words. So first is Schaus and then Spieler. Spieler is like someone who is playing. Okay, it can be used for a like a athlete, because they play sports, or anyone who is playing. So Spielen. And then comes Schau. Schau is basically show. So a person who is playing in a show, okay, is an actor, which is like the if you just break it down, the meaning itself is the definition of the word Schauspieler. Now, like we discussed, that actor actress, they are like come from the same word. So same way, for the female actress in German, it's Schauspielerin. So male Schauspieler and female is Schauspielerin. So I think this goes for every masculine and feminine word. For example, if the German word is professor, so the masculine, sorry, the feminine for professor will be Professorin. If there is a for doctor, it's arts, but in doctor is arts. But if I have to see the feminine of doctor, it's arsterin. So any male masculine word, if you just add in at the end, it becomes, most of the words becomes feminine if I just add in. So actor in German is Schauspieler, and the female actress, or the actress, is called Schauspielerin. Okay. Then comes director, so film director. So the film director can be male or female both. So the male director will be called Regisseur. I'm not sure if the pronunciation is correct, because I think all the different dialects have different pronunciation. So I think the director is Regisseur. And as we discussed earlier, if you add in at the end, it becomes the female. So if the director of the film is a feminine or a female, then it becomes Regisseurin. Sorin. Okay. Then comes producer. So the producer, the German word for producer is the Produzent. Produzent, Producent. But if I check the feminine of Producent, it's called Produzentin, in at the end. Now, apart from the actor, actress, director, producer, I think we also have some key terminology in film. For example, feature film or the movie is called Spielfilme. Okay, Spielfilme. Cinema, or the film theater, when you go to watch a movie, it's called Kino. So if you ever come to Germany or Austria, and if you want to go to a film theater, just and you want to ask the address, just ask them you're looking for a Kino, Kino. Then comes stage. So stage performance, like we have drama on stage performance. So drama stage is called Bühne. B U with epsilon mark HNE, Bühne. Then comes screenplay. Okay, so screenplay is basically in German called Drehbuch, book or Bucher. Then the role, father role, mother role, friend's role in a film is called Rolle, Rollen. Then comes the audience. So audience, like we all who go to film, watch the film, so we are the audience basically. So I think the word is very similar. It is called publicum. Publicum. Okay. Then comes the ticket. So the film ticket we use to enter the theater or the theater, the room. So that's why it's called Eintrittskarte. Karte means card, and Eintritt means entry. So entry card. So I think German makes it simple for you to understand. Uh, makes it the definition easier to understand. I think that's all we have. So for now, and if I missed anything, please feel free to like write in the comment box. I know I don't have many subscribers, but yes, if you watch this video and if you have anything to share, please feel to do that in the comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely evening. Thank you.